of all the three constituencies, whatever. Of course, we could not manage for Mau Plang constituency. However, we have got not less than 5,000 plus votes, even in Mau Plang. So we have seen that people still trust our party, NPP party, and not only NPP party, even UDP and the MDA partners as a whole, because we work together and then we carry along the ball for the interest of the citizens of the state as a whole. So therefore, I'm so grateful to all the three constituencies where people have faith on the MDA government led by NPP. As all the senior leaders from Congress to join NPP or UDP. Prove it in this by-election. I think it is very clear. People does not have faith in more in Congress. Naman alay pikran tik naman ka Mau Plang konstitusi don jongi na kalian ke NPP but don na kalian ke UDP. Ke ngaong pi ke jingji ke na kalian jong apa sarkar. Kena kada ngamong kumnuru namar ba kawai ka fakto lampram la ijon je seperti dang ha santarik jong undi nai beladet santarik ijon tenang ta idang sedang menteri kam nadu kan riu trik nyu trik tapi sutu kapor kam syasu na daw niyo san hajar tam gabu te kam dai su ka kam ka baret ten le klade ka ba ka kam ka ba yang penting is ngolong is ngol yo mesim ha ba kipai ba lalong sekono menuru kisania ya ka NPP bat kumju ru ya ka UDP namar ngi penyeng bro lai tali de hapo Mau Plang ijob i Pak Eugene ibadai naka partner si jongi naka liang jong ka UDP but kini ke atali pe lagi job ni kowe kerja bala bat kowe ka mau ne kengi sko ngo sko burom mi ki pai ba no terbut but iyo i ya ke jing don kat jong ki bani but nang ne sikmat ni nang penpau sisu ki kam ke jing ni bangin trai bahan ka ta jong pai ba ke jalan
kadon kene ka jing keno ba kani ka jing job kom dei kata ka jing job nang ka jing jing pai ba dei ka dei ring ba ka jing phe ting ka pidan yu bon pensai halor kata ka jing
iya
keno
kata ngin tet kam ban persai namar man ki election unu barem u keno bet ba the pisah dia kata ngatrai kam dei su ka batmai ya ka allocation unu candidate barem usu ang bet bangirem namar bagi ai pisah dia kata ka dei ka ba julong he berbor te ya kata ngamla ban ong bangan kren bungu hanrei ka ba khaddu kalau mau di ndon kserum ndon lupa namar ba syania ki pa ba ya candidate bat kumju ru ya ka parti ngatrai kata ka dei betul kam